Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to our next Femite video tutorial. And now, of course, this is a channel where you get review, unboxing for anything related to technology, audio, and the list goes on. Now, today I will be looking at this cable. It's a simple cable. It is a 3.5 millimeter aux cable. A very important cable once you are somebody who's into audio, whether you're doing live streaming, you're playing music, operate a PA system. Now, as you can see, actually both ends 3.5 millimeter in terms of the size. So I just want to actually so this one is about 3 feet in terms of length. Now, what is the purpose of this cable? Now, some headset like this one actually wireless, but of course it comes with a 3.5 millimeter female section here for you to plug it in. So just simply plug one end into it, and then the other end you can plug it into your phone, right? And that's it. So you can actually now listen to music, with this headset by using this cable. So this is just one way of using this cable. As for the brand, today's brand, the one, it is actually the Roku Rain brand. Actually got this on Temu. Definitely, of course, there are other brands out there. So again, as for different uses for this cable, actually have several uses for it. As for me, main reason why I would have purchased it is simple because of this headset. It does not come with a cable, but of course it communicates with devices wireless. But let's say, for example, you have a device that does not comes with Bluetooth, then definitely gonna need one of this cable. So once again, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.